The ongoing 19th Annual Art Exhibition Come Affair 2025 is providing great platforms for art enthusiasts, students and artists in the state to showcase their painting, installation, sculptures and other unique and creative artwork. The exhibition Come Fair, which is being organized by Imphal Art College at Hanjabam Shamo Sharma Art Gallery, Kabolekai, will continue till April 2nd. SKTV anchor JC Thiam visited the art exhibition Come Fair and brought a glimpse of artwork that are in display at the exhibition and also caught up with the coordinator and participating artists. Here's the report.
Hello, this is Jessie Thiam reporting from Imphal Art College, where the 19th Annual Art Exhibition has brought together artists, students, and art enthusiasts from across the state. This exhibition features stunning pictures, installations, and sculptures, each with a unique story. So let's take a look at the creativity on display.
Our exhibition is the annual function. Showcase work showcase we let them expose to the whole wide world that we can. Our creativity is this much that we can do this much up to this level. There are some galleries coming up, so exposure is there. But in college level and in gallery system, I think our college is the first one that we started showcasing all this work for the amateur artists. I will say this is also a profession, self-sustenance. Even without a job, a person who pursue this particular field can have a good life. We college infrastructure exhibition it's not a big hall, but still then we got a hall and we turn it into exhibition hall. Now at least we can showcase some works. Festival the crowd gathers more. So this is a plus point for us also in exporting. Other higher than also better peace prevail in Manipur, because without peace we can't do anything. So that is all. And any other things is like I would like to say that see foundation art foundation ki work te ina horaga agang foundation ki work te horaga please I will show you one work. This particular work got award. Okay. Okay, this particular work got award and it is in foundation course never. See my foundation course see feel together because not only a coordinator, I'm a teacher over here, I'm head of painting department, and then I'm took the histories and everything. Okay. Okay, what I'm teaching is not so bad after seeing the work, because this is very rare that a foundation student do this type of work either. Time changes a lot, and then digital media also help a lot, because if there is no digital media, the other we world the internet the world gets smaller, closer, and they get ideas also from them. So, but what is done there in European countries, or what is done there in America, or what is done there in any part of the world, if they can do it, we can also do it. That sort of things I get from this exhibition.
This art exhibition goes beyond showcasing students' paintings, offering a unique opportunity for them to sell their handmade products, such as bookmarks and bracelets, through pop-up sales. This innovative approach not only provides a platform for creative expression, but also generates a source of income for the students, fostering entrepreneurship and self-sufficiency.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯝꯕꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯒꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯦꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯚꯥꯁ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯅꯝꯕꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯅꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
लाइजे सेंगना हारगदी एगोंदा चैलेंज ने हदी इमानबा मा अखोई कॉलेज दा लामगको अखोई आर्टिस्टिंग जे सेंगना हार कांददी येगनाब लाइजिंग से यामबना थीमेटिक ओइने येकपा मतमदा अनटोल्ड स्टोरीज नत्रगना अनफोल्डिंग इमोशंस को मजा यामबना येगनेयेबा अदुदा माने हे उबो मतमदा अखोई लाइजे खितंग डार्कनेस ना हेनबगी ꯅꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯡꯗꯦꯟ ꯊꯤꯟꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯦꯁꯀꯨꯂꯤꯟ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯥꯐꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯎꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒ ꯁꯥꯒꯣꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯗꯦꯟ ꯊꯤꯟꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯐꯪꯖꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯏꯇꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯟꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯜꯂꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯉꯥꯏꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯣ ꯎꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯍꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ
ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯌꯦꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯁꯦꯅ ꯏꯕꯥꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
As we know, art is a powerful tool for expression, and this exhibition at Imphal Art College is a must for anyone who supports creativity. With visuals by Vital Yambem, this is Jessie Tiam reporting for SKTV News Imphal.